In a modern petrochemical refinery or offshore oil rig, you're constantly moving hundreds of tons of highly flammable hydrocarbons. The margin for error here is zero. A single structural failure can level the entire facility. The infrastructure holding all of this together faces a brutal triple threat. The piping systems have to contain immense internal fluid pressure, survive highly aggressive chemical corrosion, and do it all while surrounded by an ever-present risk of fire. For decades, heavy steel was the default answer. But steel has a massive vulnerability. Over time, it inevitably rusts and corrodes from the inside out. It's also incredibly heavy, requiring massive support structures and endless, expensive maintenance cycles to keep it from failing under pressure. You might think a lightweight alternative like standard PVC or CPVC plastic would solve the corrosion problem. They hold up against chemicals, but standard plastics simply melt or burst into flames at the first sign of extreme heat, immediately disqualifying them for use in any industrial high-risk zones. So engineers were left looking for a paradox. They needed a material as light and corrosion-proof as plastic, but one capable of holding immense pressure and completely shrugging off an inferno. That search led to a highly specialized solution: Fire Retardant Glass-Reinforced Plastic, or GRP pipes. Yes, it is a plastic composite. And yes, it can sit directly inside a 1200 degrees Celsius fire for hours without failing. On the surface, that shouldn't make sense. Standard structural physics tells us that a non-metal material should quickly warp, melt, and collapse under those extreme temperatures. To understand how a plastic composite can outlast solid metal in a raging fire, we have to look past the physical surface. We have to deconstruct its engineering all the way down to the molecular level. Before we even turn up the heat, we have to establish the baseline materials. The core of a GRP pipe is a matrix of thermoset resins, a liquid polymer that permanently hardens, woven together with dense layers of raw glass fiber. This precise chemical and physical pairing locks the fibers into place. It gives the pipe incredible structural stiffness, earning ratings all the way up to SN 10,000, and allows it to safely contain up to 20 megapascals of internal fluid pressure. That puts its operational strength right on par with industrial steel piping, but it achieves that durability at a mere fraction of the mass. But while the glass and resin provide the baseline strength, that's not what keeps it alive in a fire. The true engineering feat of this material is that it doesn't passively endure the heat, it actively transforms itself to fight back. Faster, more urgent tone. When flames first strike the exterior, the outer layer initiates a process called degradation. Specialized chemical additives mixed into the resin immediately break apart upon contact with the intense heat. As these molecules fracture, they release non-combustible gases. This sudden layer of gas cools the immediate surface of the pipe and physically pushes localized oxygen away, starving the fire of its fuel source right at the boundary line. Next, the thermoset resin purposefully burns. It violently expands outward, rapidly baking into a thick, porous black carbon crust known as an intumescent char barrier. That thick carbon crust acts as a perfect thermal insulator. It catches the incoming heat waves and blocks them from penetrating any deeper into the pipe wall. Because the extreme heat is halted at the surface, the internal molecular bonds between the deeper resin and glass layers stay perfectly stable. The structure holds firmly in place, keeping the intense internal fluid pressure fully contained without deforming. As we can see in these performance charts, this chemical sequence is highly effective. Standardized testing data shows these mechanisms dropping the flame spread index to a mere 5 and plummeting the smoke-developed index all the way down to 30. Essentially, the pipe sacrifices its outermost skin to spontaneously build its own thermal shield. It preserves its structural core at the exact moment a traditional material would melt or collapse. Because of this predictable, localized chemical reaction, GRP pipes easily pass the world's most grueling safety certifications, clearing everything from ASTM E84 fire tests to strictly monitored IMO marine standards. Engineers don't rely on simple straight lines. They construct massive, complex, leak-proof networks using specialized jointing techniques, like heavy-duty socket spigot connections and butt-welded fittings. Look at this enclosed transit towel. When you have humans trapped underground or deep within a ship's hull, deploying a fire-resistant, non-toxic piping network for emergency fire suppression systems is absolutely critical for survival. Beyond surviving an emergency, the chemistry offers long-term environmental benefits. The halogen-free composition severely limits toxic smoke production during a fire, and once the pipe finally reaches the end of its decades-long lifespan, the raw materials are fully recyclable. Fire Retardant GRP pipes offer a concrete solution to an extreme engineering problem. They prove that to safely protect our largest, most dangerous infrastructure, we have to engineer the solution down to the molecular level.